Hello, traders. Welcome back to another episode of Stock Market Indicators. Today, we're going to be talking about McClellan Oscillator and Summation Index. What it is, what exactly its purpose. So, McClellan Oscillator is one of the most accurate and modernized market breadth indicators available based off its smooth difference between the number of stocks that are moving up, advancing, and stocks that are declining, selling off on the broad-based indexes such as S&P, NASDAQ, IWM, Dow Jones Industrial, or for example, NYSE. It's interesting to note that S&P, NASDAQ, and all the other broad-based indexes are weighted weighted based off of they're cap weighted, meaning that some stocks that have bigger market caps have a greater effect onto specific indice moving price in terms of direction. For on how Apple moves, for example, or Microsoft in other ways, or Amazon, and just to give you a better understanding that these stocks alone can move can outweigh the decline in stocks in other stocks and can still give us a positive percentage, positive gain on S&P, even though 98 or 93% of specific indice or market completely sold off. So, as an example, if Exxon and Chevron both rally, let's say 1.5% due to positive energy report, because these two companies represent 5% of the S&P index, they can move alone the index in specific direction, despite the fact that remaining 498 stocks might have closed flat or sold off on that day. And we couldn't know. Therefore, it's prudent to watch a market breadth indicator like a McClellan Oscillator and Summation Index to provide us a more accurate picture of what all of the stocks are doing in the index. So first thing that I need you guys to do is go to the stockscharts.com. Okay, let's actually start from the beginning. Google.com, stocks charts. You click the first. You put $ NASI, and this is NASDAQ McClellan Summation Index. Okay. Then what you do is you go to overlays, you put parabolic star. Not looking, not a beautiful name, but you update, and voila. This is indicator that tells us breadth to the upside and breadth to the downside. So let's take a look at right here, August 22nd, 23rd. Let's take a look at NASDAQ and let's see what has happened on this specific day. And this is the time when the summation index, McClellan Oscillator index, has crossed from growth to decrease. This was once again August 23rd. Here we go, guys. Let me remove all the photos. Take a look at this. This is a daily chart. This is daily candle. August 22nd, 23rd. This is 22nd. This is 23rd. So on this specific given day, the breadth in the market has changed from growth to decrease. Okay. And as you guys can see, we had a nice follow up to the downside, following also the McClellan Oscillator Index, as you guys can see, all the way till October 17th and 18th, which we should see some sort of growth. October 17th, right here. This is 18th. So not too long ago, not too long later, we've moved to the upside. Keep in mind that in order for the trend to change, you need to the market needs to sell off. The market needs to give back some gains back. As you guys can see, we have a nice trend. Okay. So August 22nd, 23rd, which is exactly these two candles. This is the time when the trend has changed. It also coincides with change or breakdown from breakdown below our support, which became resistance. Let's take a look at the MACD, how MACD behaved in this given day. Let's go over. Here we go, guys. So MACD gave us a sell signal, at least I would say good one day before, which is over here, and which is over here after being rejected from the 200-day moving average a couple times. So, in my opinion, this is quite accurate and important indicator that I use, and I wanted to share with you guys to give you a better perspective and understand of the trend. Keep in mind that this indicator doesn't tell you how high the price is going to go. It doesn't tell you how low the price is going to go. And as an example, whenever we had a crossover on October 18th, 19th, let me take a look again, October 18th, 19th, from sell-off to growth to positive breadth, uh, market sold off, but we never, we never really took out the low from the previous. So this can be considered somewhat as double bottom. But the indicator just moved around 9% so far. So the breadth, it's not the strongest in NASDAQ as of now because of the interest rates that have been rising, and other economic factors. So as of now, we don't have the breadth change yet, but seems like we're getting close to that point, especially when our MACD is about to have a crossover. Let's take a look. Yes, MACD is having crossover. Our price action is below the 200-day moving average, which is the green line. So I believe if the market continues selling off, the breadth is going to change to the downside. So it's going to be very interesting to see how the summation index McClellan oscillator is going to help us understand the direction of the market. So stay tuned for more episodes. I'm definitely going to come back to this McClellan oscillator indicator chart to give you guys an update on the crossover. Also, a small question, I would say. Please subscribe to my channel, like the video, comment below if there are some indicators that you would like me to go over and share with you guys, or maybe you found something very useful with your trading that can benefit me and also our team, our audience, whoever is watching this channel. This is to my friends Julio, Sal, Imaldo, Sam. If you guys are watching this video, please comment below. I love you. This is going to be indication for me that you guys watched the video till the end. Otherwise, I'm going to log in off and stay tuned for an Apple update where let's see if I've made more gain, more profit, or I've lost after holding my short position for about, was it going to be second day? Thank you so much, guys. The next video is coming up soon. Bye bye.